Looking for the best 3D printers of 2025? We've done the deep research so you don't have to. Every pick in this list is based on real performance and value, not just hype. And if you find one you like, all the product links are right there in the description. Let's dive in. At number 6, we have the QED Q1 Pro. The QED Q1 Pro is a thoughtfully designed high-speed Core XY 3D printer that feels like it's been built with real user feedback in mind. It addresses several small but frustrating issues seen in competitors, like tricky bed leveling and awkward filament placement. By offering automatic Z-height setting, a reachable side-mounted spool holder, and true Wi-Fi connectivity without needing to jump through software hoops. At its core, the Q1 Pro is fast and capable. It runs Clipper firmware out of the box, supports advanced materials like ABS and nylon, with a spacious 245x245x 240mm build volume, and features a direct drive extruder with a high-flow, wear-resistant nozzle. It even includes a built-in 1080p camera for real-time print monitoring and time lapses. Setup is near plug-and-play, with 98% of the machine pre-assembled, and the auto-leveling system is impressively hands-off. However, the printer's biggest talking point and potential concern is its actively heated chamber. While it's a fantastic feature for printing advanced filaments, the chamber heater is not labeled as hazardous. It's tucked safely behind a grate, but users poking around during operation could risk electrical shock. QED is addressing this in future versions and has committed to offering a protective cover for current owners. Despite this, the Q1 Pro's print quality is solid, speed is impressive, and ease of use is a standout. For $469 on sale, it's a fantastic deal for serious hobbyists or anyone looking to step up their 3D printing game. Just remember to treat it with the same caution you would any high-performance tool. At number 5, we have the Anycubic Cobra S1 Combo. The Anycubic Cobra S1 Combo is making waves as a potential Pombu Labs killer, and for good reason. This Corexy enclosed 3D printer comes paired with the Anycubic Color Engine Ace, offering a multicolor printing setup that punches well above its price tag. Right out of the box, setup is a breeze. The S1 includes features you'd expect from higher-end printers, like auto bed leveling, a responsive touchscreen, and even a built-in camera for monitoring prints or creating time lapses. Its 250x250x250mm build volume gives plenty of room to work with, and the enclosure makes it a strong contender for printing materials like PEE and ABS. Thanks to its improved temperature control and included filament dryer, performance-wise, it's a standout. Whether printing with PLA, ABS, or PETG, the results are consistently clean and sharp. Print quality rivals that of Bamboo Lab machines, which says a lot considering the S1 comes at a much lower price. The ACE system supports up to 4 filaments or 8 with an extra unit, enabling smooth multicolor transitions and minimal filament waste. It even includes carbon fume filtration for safer indoor use. On the flip side, there are a few hiccups worth noting. Filament loading occasionally takes a little finesse, and the ACE's drying feature can be somewhat noisy. The included slicer was initially Windows-only, now Mac-compatible, and minor build quirks like a slightly misaligned front door are there, but nothing deal-breaking. In short, the Cobra S1 Combo offers exceptional value, strong usability, and impressive results. If you're looking to get into multicolor 3D printing without breaking the bank, this might just be the best entry point available right now. At number 4, we have the FlashForge Adventurer 5 Millions Pro. The FlashForge Adventurer 5 Millions Pro is a serious upgrade that redefines what users can expect from a consumer-friendly 3D printer. Designed with schools and makers in mind, it combines speed, simplicity, and professional-grade results, something rarely found in this price range. Right off the bat, it impresses with a compact, rigid build and refined setup experience. Setup takes just about 15 minutes thanks to its intuitive touchscreen, auto-leveling, and smart calibration features. But where it truly shines is speed and print quality. Clocking in at up to 600mm, it prints up to 6 times faster than its predecessors like the Adventurer 4, and without compromising on detail. Whether it's a quick 17-minute benchy or a large model that once took all night now done in an afternoon, the performance is incredible. The redesigned hot ends with efficient heat dissipation and swappable nozzles, 0.4mm and 0.6mm included, add versatility for different materials and tasks. Another standout feature is the vibration compensation, which eliminates ghosting and delivers impressively smooth finishes. You also get smart extras like time-lapse recording, HEPA and carbon air filtration, a particulate sensor, and camera monitoring, making it ideal for classroom environments. Still, it's not perfect. The firmware can be a little buggy, though updates are rolling out regularly, and the rear filament spool placement can be a hassle if the printer's against a wall. There were also minor tweaks needed to improve bed adhesion. All in all, the Adventurer 5 Millions Pro is more than just a refresh, it's a proper leap forward. For educators, makers, and enthusiasts who want high-speed, high-quality prints without a steep learning curve, this printer is a game-changer. At number 3, we have the Elegoo Saturn 3 Ultra. The Elegoo Saturn 3 Ultra stands out as a top-tier resin 3D printer that nails the balance between performance, print quality, and price. If you're into resin printing and want a machine that delivers stunning results without breaking the bank, this one's hard to beat. Right off the bat, the Ultra impresses with its blistering speed, up to 150 millimeters, when using Elegoo's rapid resin. Even if you don't hit that max speed, the improvements over its predecessor, Saturn 2, are immediately noticeable. A new film tech under the vat allows for quicker, smoother peels, cutting print times significantly without compromising on detail. And the detail is next level. With a 10-inch 12K monoscreen, prints come out razor sharp. Whether you're crafting miniatures with intricate textures or larger models, the clarity and surface finish are outstanding. Even tiny features, like a 2-inch wizard's smirk, are rendered crisply. The 218.88 x 122.88x 260mm build volume also hits a sweet spot for printing multiple models at once, making it ideal for tabletop armies or batch projects. The design updates are mostly convenient. Ports move to the side for easier access, and a built-in carbon filter keeps the fumes down. However, the lift-off lid is a pain point. On a machine this size, it feels awkward and risky, especially without ample overhead space. While the Wi-Fi feature is functional, it's pretty bare bones. A basic monitoring app or temperature sensor would go a long way in bringing resin printers up to par with their FDM cousins. All things considered, the Saturn 3 Ultra delivers exceptional value and performance under $500. Aside from the lid, it's hard to find real faults. For most users, this is the resin printer to get. At number 2, we have the Bambu Lab A1 Mini. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini 3D printer stands out as an affordable yet feature-rich option for both beginners and hobbyists venturing into 3D printing. Priced at $249 or $399 with the optional AMS light attachment for 4-color printing, it delivers impressive quality without breaking the bank. One of its biggest selling points is how easy it is to set up and use right out of the box. Assembly takes less than 20 minutes, and with the AMS light, switching between up to 4 filament colors becomes a breeze. Performance-wise, the A1 Mini produces excellent prints at fast speeds, with minimal noise thanks to its built-in noise cancellation routine. Its direct drive extruder handles PLA, PEG, TPU, and PVA well, and the included slicer software Bambu Studio offers both beginner-friendly and advanced settings. It also supports third-party slicers like Cura, though with some feature limitations. Connectivity is smooth with both Wi-Fi and microSD card options. And the Bambu Handy mobile app adds extra convenience by showing print status, temperature, and even a live camera feed. That said, the A1 Mini isn't without drawbacks. Its small 7-inch print bed limits larger projects, and the touchscreen is a bit cramped, especially for those with larger fingers. The multicolor printing feature, while cool, leads to noticeable filament waste during color transitions, something to consider if you're aiming for efficiency. Still, for its price point, print quality, and ease of use, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini punches well above its weight. Whether you're a curious newcomer or a casual maker, this compact printer delivers a premium experience without the premium price tag. At number 1, we have the original Prusa MK4S. The original Prusa MK4S is a standout 3D printer that blends performance, precision, and user-friendly features, making it an excellent choice for hobbyists and professionals alike. It's an upgraded version of the MK4, and while it may not look drastically different, the improvements under the hood are what really shine. At the heart of its enhanced performance is the Bondtech CHT nozzle, which significantly increases volumetric flow, up to 24 mm3 for PLA, outpacing many competitors. This means faster prints without sacrificing quality. The new 360-degree cooling fan is another game changer, cooling the filament evenly and quietly, enabling cleaner prints with impressive overhangs up to 75%, all while keeping noise levels low, ideal for shared spaces. One of the most appreciated touches is Prusa's commitment to sustainability and upgradability. If you already own an MK4, you can upgrade to MK4S features for just $99, avoiding e-waste and buyer's remorse. The printer is also available fully assembled for $1,099 or as a DIY kit for $799, giving users some flexibility based on budget and preference. Print setup is a breeze thanks to automatic bed leveling via a load cell sensor that physically taps the bed for ultra-precise calibration. Filament loading is also seamless with smart material detection and guided screen prompts. Plus, with built-in Wi-Fi, a mobile app, and Prusa Connect, managing your prints remotely has never been easier. The only real downside? It's on the pricier side for a bed slinger, but the reliability, print quality, and upgradability make it a solid long-term investment. Simply put, the MK4S is fast, quiet, and built to last, an all-around premium 3D printer that delivers. That wraps up our list. Remember, we don't just throw random picks your way, we dive deep so you can buy smart. If any product felt right for you, the links are waiting in the description. And if this helped, hit like, subscribe, and tell us what you'd like to see next.